Hi and welcome to Cash and Coins. Today I'm unboxing and discussing the release of Spain's first bullion coin, the gold Lynx. I will go over what I think, compare it maybe to the buffalo, and other coins that are already in the market. I feel this is a collector's piece with a limited mintage and only available in reverse proof and only in 1 ounce. Okay, let's get into it. Hi, and thank you for joining me here at Cash and Coins. I hope you are doing well. I just received my first gold coin from the Spanish Royal Mint. This is Spain's first bullion coin. It is a limited release of only 12,000 coins. The coins are only available in reverse proof. Kangaroo Inc. has been appointed the exclusive U.S. distributor of the Spanish Royal Mint's Spanish doubloon, which means Spanish gold coin. The word doubloon is from the Spanish word doblón, or double. This coin is a 1.5 euro coin. Gold coins usually have a higher denomination, yet the U.S. Buffalo is only a $50 denomination. As you know, bullion coins' value is not the denomination. It is the weight of the gold or the silver. And now for a little bit of controversy. Some people have been stating that the mint put it at only 1.5 euro so that if the government ever confiscated the coins, they won't have to pay as much. Of course, I don't believe this, but I'm just the messenger here. You can come to your own conclusions. So why did I purchase this coin? I did pay quite a bit, by the way. My total cost, including shipping from Germany, was $2,100. I purchased it from EMK. I have to say this company has the best customer service I have ever experienced, at least when it comes to buying coins. I emailed them and within minutes they replied, and in English. They walked me through the order processing. Now, I'm not sponsored, so don't think I'm being paid for any of this. But hey, when I find something good, I love to tell my viewers that I did have an awesome experience, and I did with EMK. Look at their website. Look at this. It's really, really nice. Now back, why did I purchase it? Well, I have always loved stories about Spanish treasure. You know, the pirates, the ships coming from Spain and going all over the world, and gold being dumped everywhere, or gold being taken back to Europe. So this coin brought back all these nostalgic feelings. So a little about the coin. This Spanish gold coin features on the reverse the Iberian Lynx. The face value of 1.5 euro, as I said, and the year of issue 2021. And the crown symbol of the Spanish Mint. And as I said, this is a reverse proof 1 ounce 4/9 fine gold coin. The coin's obverse features the famous columnarios, the pillars of Hercules design, representing the joining of the two old and new world hemispheres, with two globes crowned over the sea, and the motto plus ultra, in English means further beyond, is a Latin phrase and the national motto of Spain. Plus ultra is on the ribbons mounted on the opposite pillars. Also included is the inscription Felipe VI Rey de España, as well as the weight 1 ounce and 4/9 fineness of the gold coin. Now here's a quick map of where the two pillars are, and they're really just peaks, not actual columns. That actually comes from Greek mythology, but we won't get into all of that. Now here I have the original pieces of 8 design. This is where the design for this coin came from. And you know, other countries use this. Even here in the U.S., we use the same old design for the pre-33 Saint-Gaudens gold coin. Our gold buffalo has the same as the buffaloes on our nickels. So it's a common practice. Now, the Lynx design came from a 2010 banknote. The Royal Spanish Mint created a test banknote, yet it was never used until now. They're using it on this coin. And yes, the Lynx on the design is a female. She is a mother. And here you have the picture where the design was taken from. I have to say that I am really satisfied with this coin. It is beautiful. Yet it will now have to compete with other world bullion coins. As you know, the Krugerrand started the whole bullion thing back in 1967, and it's 1 full ounce of gold, but it's not pure. Just like the American Eagle is not pure. But it will have to compete with the Canadian gold maple leaf, with the Austrian Philharmonic, the Chinese Panda, even though that one now is only 30 grams, not 31.1, the British Britannia, the Australian Kangaroo, the Mexican Libertad, and the American Gold Buffalo, which is equivalent. And these are just to name a few. And as I live in America, I compare this to the American Gold Buffalo coins. They both have classical designs built on them, built in. Both are 4/9 fine gold. Can I say which is better? Of course not. I think they are an even match. I love them both 100%. You know, it's just like your children. You can love all your children equally. Well, if you could, please let me know in the comments if Spain does continue to release bullion coins. As you know, this was a test for them to see how well they do. Will they be as popular as other gold bullion coins? And let me know, what do you think of the design? And how about the low denomination of 1.5 euro? I am happy with it, and I think this will be a nice collector's piece. You know, it has the low mintage, it's reverse proof, it has all the little things you look for. Limited distribution also. As you see, only one place in the United States is actually selling it. Well, I want to thank you for watching Cash and Coins. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, if you are a subscriber, you know I appreciate it. And as I always say, have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next video.